What's up, guys? Trying a little different setup today. So got my little hobby room I got going on. Got a little area back here to work on and stuff. Got a little toolbox here and do the unboxings on now. So we'll try this out and see how it works. So we added a new card to the fleet. I actually won it in a raffle. I'll put the dude's link below so you guys can check it out and sign up for some. And it's the Axial SCX10 3. It's got all the cool little features in it. It's got the 2-speed trans you can optionally do. It's got the dig feature. I believe it comes with some lights and stuff on it too. So let's open this bad boy up and check it out. Of course, stickers everywhere. First thing out, standard controller here. Pretty much same as a couple of the other things I've done unboxings of. Well, this one's actually got a cool little thumb thing on here though, so that's nice. I didn't have that. Comes in handy when you're trying to film yourself. Down this thing and see if we can pull this out. There it is, all nice and cozy in there. So I'm guessing you slide this out this way. This thing is packaged in here very well. That's always nice because it does have a bunch of cool little features on it. And it looks like it's zip tied in there. And nice little details in it. Let's grab some cutters here. There we go. Let's see what else we have in here first before we take a better closer look. So looks like we comes with batteries, a couple little tools. Looks like a waterproof case there. I'm guessing the receiver is just chilling in a regular spot and you can do the optional. A couple little extra things in there. Zip ties flying. Of course, owner's manual. Some cool stickers on the back to add a little extra flavor. It's got license plates and lights. Maybe for a second body, I'm not sure. Kind of cool. And that's it. So there it is. I got the gray one. It's pretty sweet. Got nice bumpers on it already. Got bumpers in the back there too. Get these zip ties out of there. And this one does have the portals. So actually none of my cars have portals on them yet, so it's gonna be cool to test that out, see how that works. Everything looks super nice. It's actually got cool wheel wells. Looks like there's got little spots where we can add some lights. Everything here is adjustable, I guess, for different bodies. Wheels are pretty nice. Tires are nice. Got a good little feel. So I don't see any body pins on top, so I'm guessing they're all down on the bottom here. Oh yeah, here they are. So down here in the bottom. I'll do a little close-up of that in a minute. Show you some of the little features. Yeah, so the body goes on the bottom and it pops up. That's kind of cool. I don't worry about scraping that up. So, let me show you guys a little close-up of that. So here you can see the body clips under the body. Down there by the bumpers. This one's in the back by the bumpers there. Pop those off and the body pops off. Here's the portals. Pretty cool. You can see the actual fender, inside fender wells there, front and rear. And you can see where the motor mounts and transmission is. It's a lot more further up forward than the my Element. So that'll be good for climbing and stuff. So the grill has some cool details in it. You can see it's actually cut out. There's a cool little grill in the back there. It's got some nice hard plastic fender things going on here, kind of like a real Jeep. Got a little gas door. There's a cowboy in there. You can see a little better this way. And looks like there's a little bit of a cage in there too. That's pretty cool. And you see the lights here. So I'm guessing, I don't know if the lights are already run already, or if you have to add them in, or what. So let me check that out. Let me pull this body off so we can see under. So it's standard 4 clips like any other body. You just undo them, and ooh, it's actually kind of stiff. Oh, I was grabbing the wrong spot, that's why. Sorry, it's a little tricky doing one-handed. And so the lights are already hooked up, so that's kind of cool. We got a little tension thing here. Always undo the battery. See a little replica engine in there. Got speed control, a little tiny servo. Probably be upgrading that. I heard it has some problems. And there's the battery tray. I believe you can put different types of batteries in different spots in this, so that's pretty cool. It does have different body mount posts there in the back, and it says have the whole little inside there for the interior. So it's pretty, I think it's pretty cool. And here it looks like you can add the rock lights, so I'm gonna try and look those up. See if I can order those up pretty quickly. Toss those in here. I think it'd be a cool feature to have. This is cool having the wheel wells here. Keep some of the dirt out of there. So overall, pretty nice kit here. You can see where everything mounts here. Wires are run nicely. Pretty sweet. So I'll actually supposed to be heading up to a cool little spot tomorrow. Hope we get to test this out. But overall, pretty sweet little kit here. It's ready to run. I'm not sure if I said that already, but it was ready to run kit. You just have to add batteries. Tires are pretty beefy. They're beefier than my, looks like they're beefier than my Enduro ready to run kit. But yeah, stay tuned for the footage.